Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in my video, I will discuss what stroke is and how you can determine stroke in its early stage. I mean, what are the early signs and symptoms that will guide on early detection and treatment of a stroke. I will give a science-backed information that will help you to understand condition precisely. So, stay tuned and watch the full video. Alright, let's have a full breakdown of today's topic. Well, let's first understand what stroke is. A stroke occurs when the proper supply of blood gets disrupted in a particular part of a brain, causing a lack of supply of oxygen and nutrient to the brain cells and tissues. This low supply of oxygen and nutrients in the brain leads to a brain damage in a matter of a minute, causing a sudden stroke or paralysis. See, stroke incidence is as common as it is in neurological disorder that can affect anyone anywhere. So, if you or your loved ones have ever experienced this in their lives, you need not to worry, as there are 12 million people who experience a stroke each year worldwide. The crucial thing we should know is why stroke happens, its signs and symptoms, and a better treatment approach that should be side effect free. Alright, brain damage leads to a neurological disorder and your body indicates some signs and symptoms before a disease manifests. Hence, it is the same with the stroke too. You start observing some signs and symptoms before a severe stroke attack. So, let's explore what they are so that you will obtain a clear prognosis for this disease. The first leading sign of stroke that will observe a sudden numbness or weakness in the face, arms or leg. See, your particular part of your body, brain gets affected, so you may experience numbness in one side of your body. Okay, I explained it to you clearly. You might not be able to lift your one hand and leg, so else you may also observe a face dropping or uneven gesture of your face. All these are the early signs of your stroke condition. Another sign of your stroke condition is difficult speaking or understanding speech. See, if you notice that you have a trouble speaking or you are not able to pronounce a clear word, your speech is slurred, slow or unclear, then you must tell your healthcare provider immediately. Not only will your speech becomes unclear, but you will also not understand what others are saying or you may take a time to get it properly. So, difficult speaking or understanding speech is also a distinguishable sign of a stroke that you should not get unnoticed. Now, I tell you about the third warning sign of stroke. You may have a vision problem. Yes, you will start noticing sudden changes in your vision. This could be a sudden loss of vision in one or both eyes, blurry vision or a double vision issues. A vision problem can also happen due to damage caused to a part of brain that process visual information. I think vision issues are more prominent to neurological disorder, and if you experience any of them, you must consult your doctor and carry out a detailed check of your condition. Well, now I come to the fourth sign. A sudden and intense headache can also be a sign of a stroke. If you feel a sudden and intense headache, that is different from a normal headache when you feel due to a less sleep or stress. So you must consider talking to a neurologist without delay. You may experience a headache accompanied by other symptoms such as feeling unrest, nausea or vomiting. Early detection of the causes of your severe headache can save you from many neurological disorders. And now, if a stroke is diagnosed at an early stage, then you will take a less time to recovery. Now, the fifth sign is if you are experiencing sudden dizziness, troubling walking in a straight line, or difficulty in walking up or standing up. All these are common symptoms of a stroke that can affect movement and body balance. These signs occur due to damage to a particular part of your brain that controls coordination and movement. If a stroke affects these areas, then you will have a difficulty in movement and balance. Okay, so last sign that I am going to tell you is the decline of your cognitive function. See, your brain is responsible for controlling emotions, feelings, thoughts, learning, memory, motivation, etc. If there is a damage of particular part of your brain that controls all these functions, then you may start feeling forgetfulness, irritability, confusion, and memory loss. If you observe these signs that persist for a long time, then you must consider talking to your doctor right away. Alright, I have explained to all the possible warning signs that will help you at an early prognosis for a stroke. Neurological disorders are difficult to manage, and delaying in taking the right treatment can put you in more trouble. Traditional medicines can only help you to certain limits, but you will face several complications after that. Stroke-like neurological disorders should be treated with medicines that can act on your whole constitution. Stroke is easily treatable with a holistic system of medicines. If you and your loved ones encountered at a stroke and dealing with the complication of a stroke, then I think you should get the right homeopathic medicines, as homeopathic is side effect free and effective in treating disease for its root. No doubt, homeopathic is now bringing extensively used for a brain and psychological disorders and bring positive changes in the patient coordination. Bharat Homeopathy is a renowned face in the field of treating neurological disorder with years of clinical experience and knowledge. We are potential team of experienced doctors who are carefully analyze the patient's condition and clinical history and prescribe a personalized homeopathic treatment. After a proper case taking, we believe that your disease is fully treatable with the right medicines and care, and we have a successful treated thousands of patients dealing with a brain disorder worldwide. I know it's really troublesome to struggle with a neurological disorder like stroke, but believe me, you will get a positive result just right after beginning your treatment. Again, I will say some things you need not to worry about stroke. It is absolutely treatable with our homeopathic medicines with no side effect. If you want to know more about stroke treatment, you can give us a call on our number. We will make every possible effort to solve your doubts and relieve you from your stroke condition. I hope you found my video helpful. Please share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel and press the bell icon below, and stay tuned for more health related information. Thanks. Have a nice day.